Hey, this is Asha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to do is share with you some insight on what we do in the Swing Charts membership plan. Now, this video that you're going to see right now is a quick little clip, meaning it's cut, and you'll see a couple of little sections of it from the actual members section. So in the members section, you'll get the full video. In this video, you'll go ahead and see a little cut or trimmed version of it. So if you're interested in joining us to see what we do in the members section of the Swing Charts membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. So you can see it's tradersfly.com, and you'll be taken to a site like this. By the way, go ahead and check out some of the freebies we have there. You can download a bunch of freebies absolutely free by going to this area. But if you want to see the members section, go ahead and click this members area right there. And then you can go here and you can check out the Swing Charts, and that'll take you to a page similar to this. Now, just for you guys right now, because we have kind of this deal promotion going on, I want to go ahead and share the love. So you can go ahead and click the Get It Now button here on the monthly plan. And what you can do is go ahead and when you go to the coupon, share the love, all lowercase, apply the coupon, and what it'll do is give you half off the first month for signing up. So again, remember, coupon codes expire from time to time. It's not going to last forever. So as you're watching this video, maybe it already expired. But in the meantime, we try to keep this coupon code active as you're watching the video. So keep that in mind. If you have any trouble or issues, feel free to reach out to us or our team. Anyways, I'd love to see you in the membership section. We really focus in on charts, technical analysis, and you'll get a sample of that here as we go into this video. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. All right, let's look at some individual companies, and I'm going to just start out with kind of some of these big ones right here. So I want to show you these stocks have been continuing to move very well, but here's kind of the issue that we have is that we're heading right into some resistance levels, including this one like Amazon. We've been going up, and it's been nice. So as you look at this, this is a nice triangle pattern here. But it does concern me a little bit that, hey, we're coming in possibly right into resistance. So when you have this, you want to be a bit more careful as we head right into resistance and the market at all-time highs. That's an area of concern for me. So be a little bit more careful and cautious. Normally this is a pausing pattern, so that usually can create some further upside movements. So what you want to do is watch for more bullish volume to come in, but if it doesn't, this could be an issue. So be a little bit more careful. Really, you're kind of waiting right here. It's kind of like wait for the breakout there, or the breakdown as well. So or the breakdown. So wait for those kinds of breakout or breakdown areas in this kind of zone and area. So in this case, because of a couple of factors, I am a little more neutral on this stock, just because we've got a few little issues here that we're coming right into. So be careful. So take a look at a VTR here. This one here, as we take a look at it, this one's moving and doing pretty well. Let's go kind of to the daily so you can see the backup right here. You can see the volumes picking up. So I'll go kind of maybe a 2 or 3 day so you can see it. And this one, I'm actually one of the fewer ones here. We're breaking out. We've had resistance here. And here's our resistance. We possibly are getting into some more resistance right here, but this stock's been doing very well. The volume looks very good. You've got some seriously nice bullish volume there. So stock is moving well and breaking out past resistance levels. So this is a healthy sign with bullish volume. So that's fantastic and great news. So overall, the stock looks good, looks healthy, continues to move. Use kind of that level of about 20 as your stop. If it gets below that, that's going to be a little bit of an issue. All right, let's check out Alibaba here. There's some China problems and restrictions that, Trump's trying to always make. So I think the stock has a little bit of higher risk possible issues, but when you really look at it, it does look fairly good. So here is our kind of resistance, and then you can see it's attempting to break out again. You do have some of that bullish volume there as well coming in. So this does look good in the sense of moving higher into further higher prices. So stock looks good and healthy from the breakout and chart perspective, but I would be careful with political risks on hand. So in this case, I'm still bullish chart-wise, technical-wise, but watch out for political risks, and you know, always take profits into strength as the moves continue higher. So anyways, stock looks good, looks fine for now. Just be careful here if we do get a pullback or any kind of issue there at upper prices. This is a weekly chart, so a little bit longer duration when I really look at it. Got a couple more. Here's another big boy one that's also, as I'm watching it, you can look at it on the weekly, but it's a little more difficult, so we'll go to the daily. You can see Shopify, a very powerful company, also kind of like a head and shoulders pattern that we talked about earlier with another company here. So here's resistance. And you can see we're getting into that level where, hey, is this a head and shoulders pattern? Stock is basically acting weak compared to the past performance. So be careful as we move in this level. Now, it doesn't mean it can't come back to, let's say this thing comes back to kind of this level, and here's your possible support level. But, you know, once these things start selling off, they start selling off with speed. So watch this support level to see if it can hold here if we start pulling back. If you can't, you're going to see some other major serious trouble and problems. Again, markets at all-time highs. You got to be a little more careful and cautious. So for now, I'm neutral in the stock. I think, you know, you're going to get some of this sideways action here that's happening right now. And then it can continue moving higher, but you just need a little bit more time, more digestion. And the stock has ran quite a bit. The volume is dried up. There's not much there. So you need to give it room to catch back up. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching and joining me in this little clip video. Remember, this was just a shortened clip and version of what we do in the members section. If you want to join us, go ahead and go to the website at tradersfly.com. That way you get insight on, hey, some of the freebies, the get started pages, and join us on the membership section by clicking the members area here. That'll forward you to our members website, and you can go ahead and sign up for the swing charts if it's something that you're interested in. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, hit the subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel, or of course, join the mailing list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, products, courses, or even live events sometimes on YouTube. All right, thanks again, and I will see you next time.